Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you the most easy, super delicious soup. So here I've got some vegetables. This is celery, about 2. That's leek. Don't use the whole, like the full stripe of leek. I halved it and used the white bit and some of the green. I'm using 1 onion, chopped, 1 carrot, no actually 2, and few potatoes. And let me just show you guys this. Few potatoes, some oil to go with. So let's start. Believe me, this is so easy. You can have it in mornings as a breakfast, or you can even like have it in snacks at break time, whenever it suits you. So here guys, I've added the oil and some garlic in. Just going to give it a mix here. Just going to give this a mix. And then we're going to add the onions. Just saute this. I'm just going to add this. For taste. Trying to mix it well. So here you guys, just to let this saute until like very light brown color. Just wait for 2 minutes. So at this point I'm adding some seasoning. I'm adding some basil. Just a pinch. Some oregano. Italian seasoning. Some thyme. This is the main ingredient. You have to put thyme in. And vegetables are also main ingredients, obviously. So we're just going to mix this well. Mix it for like 1 minute or a half. Give it a nice mix. Don't let it stick on the pan, the onion. This gives a nice mix. Okay. So at this point we're going to add all the vegetables in. So first I'm going to start with the carrots. Just going to add that in. Leek in. celery, last of all potatoes. Going to give this a nice mix. Oops, cauliflower. So as you all can see, I've mixed everything very well. Now we're going to add water. Okay, we've added the water. You can add vegetable stock, it's up to you. You can add chicken stock, lamb stock, any other stocks you like. So here I'm going to add salt as per your taste and some black pepper too. The black pepper in. Okay, that's done. Just going to give this a mix from the top. And we'll wait until it's getting boiling. So let's just cover it for about 25 minutes or 20 minutes. So guys, I hope you can see this. Oh my god, no, you actually can't see it. No, wait, yeah, you can. So it's at the boiling point and it's all ready to be served. Well, I just checked the potatoes and the carrots and they're well cooked. So it's up to you if you want to blend it or if you like it without blending. Well, I prefer blending up the soup, so I'm just gonna do that. So here I'm just going to blend this up. So guys, this is our final look of the soup. It's all ready to be served and I just blended it all up. It tastes fantastic. So do try it out. Tell me in the comments below and subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button, give a thumbs up if you like the video. And thank you so much for watching the video and we'll see you guys in the next video with some more new videos. Till then, bye!